Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the unboxing for the June Simply Gilded subscription, and this is Hello Darling, and it's got some really beautiful florals on it. And you guys know I'm not a super flowery kind of a person, but the foiling and the watercolor, and I mean I've been wanting to get Simply Gilded for a while, but I wasn't able to, and now I am, so I am going to share it with you. So I'm going to try not to spoil I will show it at the end, the free subscriber gift, I'll show at the end. So if you don't want to see it, let me see if I can find it though, because I'm honestly not sure. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take everything out, and then I'll come back, so that way it's not in the camera. Be right back. All right. I found the mystery gift and I put it to the side, and I'll show it to you guys at the end of the video, so that way if there's a person in here that doesn't want to see it, they won't see it. Anyway, so this is everything that comes in your kit. It's called the Hello Darling. It says it's the May 2020 box, but it's obviously for June. So here's everything that's in it. If you want to see that, I'm going to show you anyway, but there's that. Then you get this beautiful card. Oh, this is nice. So I've decided that I'm going to find a B6 strings. That's where I'm heading, is towards a B6 strings. I feel like my TN size, my Daisy Dory, not personal, it's the regular sized one. I feel like I need some bigger, a little bit bigger. So we're going to move towards that. And all this is going to wait for my B6 when I get it. Here's all the stickers. Let me open this one first, because this one has some pretties in it. So I did get that washi add-on, so I have that as well. All right. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at this. So this is like, oh my. Let me just see if I can't put this on a white background for you so you can see it really well. I got a piece of paper right here. It's kind of off-white, but it'll work. How's that? Oh, look, it's got, see, this is why you need paper behind it. It's got this really soft peachy pink hearts in between all of these bows. And it's got silver bows on this side and gold bows on this side. So you got silver and then gold. And isn't that gorgeous? That would make a really pretty cover just like this to put over something else. And then I'm going to show you the Vellum. Here's the Vellum. Gorgeous. Such pretty watercolor. You see that? Hopefully you can see that really good. This is going to be a fun adventure for me, because I'm not much into like the florally stuff, or I guess I'm finally finding my girly side. So this here is a B6. This is just a notebook. And it's got the same artwork on it. I'm not even going to open it up because I'm going to save it for when I get my B6, but this is what I meant by, I think this size is going to be better for me, because I feel like I'm just not have enough room. So this is what size I'm going to go with, but this is going to end up going in my new B6, and it's going to be a strings, not a rings. And yeah, that's really pretty. And on the inside, well, I guess I could open it. I'm pretty sure it's just plain paper. I don't feel like there's anything to it, because I'm over here. I love how everything is wrapped up so that I can't get to it. There. Okay, so let's open it. Oh, it's a dot grid, so this is really cool, because you can make this into anything you want. So this will be really nice. You know how much I love to turn all these things into just whatever I need them to be that month. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you this guy right here, because I'm super excited about this. So this one here is a sticker book, and it's got the pocket inside, and it says Simply Gilded on this side, and it's got the nice pockets for your stickers. This is a good size too. So this will fit not only the Simply Gilded ones, but this will fit all of our ones that we like to collect. So let me grab my little one of these. Oh yeah, that'll fit perfect in there. Yay, another one. I'm going to start collecting all these little sticker books so that I have a million of them for all my stickers. But that's real pretty. There's a lot of pages in it, so that'll work. And then we've got the pen, which I saw little sneaks with the pen. Oh, it's real pretty. Look at that. The barrel is gorgeous. It says Simply Gilded on the side. It's got the little bow on the top. It's very pretty. And I heard it's black, so that works out nicely. Now let's look at the stickers. Probably should have opened all of this before I turned on my camera, but I didn't. I still haven't set up the microphone, so if I sound funny, I'm sorry. I've been working on everything but setting up my camera better and my microphone. Okay, let me flip all these around so they're facing the right way. So as always, you get your bows, which whenever I send out my birthday stuff, I always put stickers on them. So this is going to be perfect, because now I can put some stickers. Like, these are much prettier, much nicer than what I stick on there. But there's those. Then you've got your boxes here. Let me move these ones to the back. Okay. So you've got all your little boxes here, and then your days of the week. Some little like meeting, appointment, groceries, meal plan, some check boxes, celebrate. This is nice. And I love all that foiling. If only I could foil like that. Okay, today, remember, important. So these are just your little tabs. There's some flags with some different deco on them. More boxes. These are individual. Are they individual? They may not be, but if they're not individual, they're gonna be, because I'll probably cut that down into individual strips. Oh wait, I think it is. Let me just do it. No. Can't. See, now I don't have any. Oh yeah, they are. Thank goodness. I don't have to cut it myself. So they're individual ones. This is what happens when you don't have nails. It's not the time of year for nails for me. So I cut them all off. And then some more boxes at the bottom. Working in the yard and having long nails is just disgusting to me. So here, these are all hearts, and they have all the deco all over them. So you got like little trash cans and cleaning and bill paying and all kinds of stuff on here. It's really cute. This one is your date. Oh, these are hearts too. That's nice. These are your date dots. And then there's some more deco at the bottom. And then here we have some more boxes, which are super pretty. Love these. Okay, so there's all your stickers. I'll put this off to the side, and then we'll open this up. So this little bag came as well. This would make a really pretty bag to give somebody a gift, which I might actually do, because I don't know what else I would use it for, because I have so many pouches that I put all my planner stuff in that I use, especially the ones from Coco Daisy, that I probably won't put any of my planner stuff in here, but it is super pretty, isn't it? That's gorgeous. That's going to make a good gift bag. Here's all the washi, and then we've got our little bow here. So your little planner charm. And look, the card is even something you could use to decorate with. Alright, it's got the big lobster clip. And then, ooh, that's a pretty charm right there. Look at that. The green and the gold. And then you got a little like holographic flower, and it's all on gold. Beautiful. I like this a lot. So here's what I'm like super excited about, because I've been like eyeballing this for a while. I've been wanting to get these washi's from I mean, obviously everybody knows their washi is gorgeous. It's always so beautifully like foiled and different color. The colors are always so beautiful. So I was super excited to get this, which is why I did the washi add-on. But these ones are the perforated. So these are perforated, which makes putting your little divider boxes so much, or your headers, so much easier. So let me, in case you're new to Simply Gilded, I don't know, I have to figure out how to open it, because one of these has to come off, but I don't see it at the moment. I want to make you sit here through this. Oh, there it is. Maybe. There it is. Okay, so each one of these comes apart, so you just pull. That first one was cut in the wrong place anyways, but then you just take them like that. And then you can add them to your, we'll set that one right there. You can add them to your little projects. Super pretty. Love it. This one's also perforated. Beautiful. Then we have, this is going to be a pretty short video because I'm not doing like a big old haul, and I don't get nearly as much stuff as I get from my other subscription boxes, so I go a little crazy with the other subscription. This one's really pretty. Look at that. It's got the gold foiling, gold bows. Here, we'll make a little washi thing. Let's see what's in. Oh, this one's super pretty. So this one actually looks a lot like the kit. So I think this is the same artwork that's here, and it's on the washi. Like I said, I probably should have opened these all up. Oh, it's got a little bit of, this is going to be, wait till you see this. I'll try to get it close enough to where you can see it. So first of all, it feels much thicker than the regular washi, and it's got, let's see if I can get it to do it. It sparkles. It's got like a, I don't know if I can get it to do it because I'm sure I can get my lights. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it sparkles. So when you get your kit, you're gonna love this. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous sparklies. And then this is just a pink one with the bows and the same artwork in the back. I'm not gonna open all of them. These are your date, your perforated date ones with the days of the week. And then this is the add-on, which just matches the kit. And one of the things that I am missing in my stash is this size washi. Like, I don't have a lot of the skinny washi, which I really wanted to use for like dividers and decorating and stuff. And I think, as I'm looking at this, nah, I'm probably wrong. I thought one of them was perforated, but it's not. It was just the start of the roll. So these are all the ones that came. So this one has the silver. So this is pink with the silver. And then this is this peachy color with gold. And then you've got the pink and like mint green with the little bows on them. So pretty. So, so pretty. Okay, so this is everything that came in this month's Simply Gilded box. Now I'm going to show you the freebie. So if you don't want to see the freebie, this is the time to step out. Thanks so much for coming. And yeah, so now I'm going to show the freebie. So this month you get this little pocket. Let me open it up because I have no idea what. Okay, so it's made out of the same material as, a little bit thinner, but same as like a faux leathery. It's real thin, but it's super cute, and it's got the gold bow on it. And I think, yep, it's sticker. So you can just stick it to the inside of your planner. It's got a sticker in the back. So that's nice. I like that. That's super nice. All right, so there's everything that came in the kit. Now, if you want to bounce out, you can. If not, I just had a little bit of a chat and get rid of all my stuff. So I know you guys saw that I got my iPad for, let me back this up just a little bit so you can see without all the mess. And I wanted to show you some of my, oh my goodness, if it'll let me open it. So I wanted to show you some of what I've been working on. So I started out, if you follow me on Instagram, I'll leave the name of the Instagram below, but my husband bought me this iPad, and I've been playing around with Procreate and trying to learn it and create my little characters here. And I started out with making Frankie, whom I have changed completely. So Frankie doesn't even look like Frankie anymore. Because now, when I created Pip, so here's Pip. When I created Pip, him and Frankie just didn't go well together. You can see here, they're just like two completely different styles. So I ended up changing Frankie up completely and turning him into this. So now here's Frankie and Pip. Aren't they just adorable? They're so cute. I love them. Anyways, so then I started playing around with the idea of making like a 50s style stickers. So my point to all of this is the sticker that I made right here. And it's like got this like 50s style television. I put Pip in it. I muted down the colors to make it not so saturated. I put As the Truffle Turns is on the inside. I've got him wearing his little outfit like he's, you know, from that particular era. And then with this, I took him and I turned him into these. So I made myself some little stickers. And then here's Frankie at the top in the border here, and then these are all little TV stickers so that you can track what you're watching or for TV time or whatever it is. And I thought they were super cute, and I would just want to let you guys know that I'm going to put them on my blog, which will be linked below. I'll put the file there. And if you guys want them, you know, they're free. You can take them. It'll be a silhouette file. It'll print and cut, and then you can just, you know, do your own thing with them. But I thought they came out really cute, and this is my first attempt at making my own stickers. So I wanted to share them with you guys if you want them. And yeah, so this is what he looks up close up because, you know, these are small enough to go in a planner, so you can't really see all the detail that well. But that's him and what he looks like with all the detail in there. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you again real soon. Bye.